Hi and welcome to the Nima Lodge, found along the famous garden route in South Africa. Today's film is all about their architectural wonder, the sand cabin. We start with a quick look into the kitchen, followed by the first highlight, the amazing bedroom. Sitting on top of the multi-level interior and being surrounded by warm colors and soft curves, it's definitely the heart of this beautifully designed cabin. From here we also get a great view to the stunning nature outside, the indoor fireplace and to the dining area on the right. Let's now step down and outside to the large deck, where we find a wood-fired hot tub on one side and a barbecue place with an outside dining area on the other side. Back inside we finish with another highlight, the bathroom. It's super stylish and comes with a plant that goes up to the high ceiling. But the best part is the exquisite bath and shower view with which we end today's film. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.